Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy with 911 Studios, and today I just want to give a huge shout out to Neewer Lighting. You guys, we film a ton of content here and lighting is so important. Neewer is the best of the best when it comes to lighting, and this is an amazing set. All of their products are great. They're super high quality. You'll notice that in the little details immediately when you get these. The carrying case is going to be really well made. The tripods are going to be amazing. And if you've gotten other lighting sets, maybe on Amazon before, I know I've had some that the tripods just don't really hold up. They are not very well made. Neewer is not the case. It's going to be really high quality and really sturdy, really stable, durable, gonna last you a long time, everything that you want. This case is, or this set in particular is so cool because it is battery operated. It's going to come with 2 extra batteries and a battery charging station. That is really cool because this means you can shoot on location, you can shoot anywhere, you can shoot, outdoors, whatever you are doing that day, and maybe you don't have an outlet close by, or you are just sick of dragging tripods all around. I know my house sometimes there's just cords everywhere and extension cords from plugging in lighting. Sometimes just having those battery operated lights, oh my goodness, it's gonna save you so much time, so much energy, effort, and frustration. So this is an excellent solution. Both of these lights have a standard fitting that's gonna fit into any hot shoe on top of basically whatever camera you have, whatever tripod you have. I haven't seen any that it doesn't work with. So you know that you're gonna be able to use it. This, you can control the brightness of the lights, but you cannot control the temperature right on the lights, but they give you 2 filters, both a bright white filter and an orange filter. So if you need to kind of change the temperature, you can do that with the plastic filters, and that's pretty cool too. Again, you guys, Neewer is great. You're really gonna be impressed with their lighting, and if you are sick of low quality tripods and you're sick of having cords everywhere, this is the set that you need. You're gonna be really, really happy that you made that investment in your lighting and in your photography. Go ahead and put it in your cart. You're gonna be happy you did.